All right. Well, for us to get started, you need to have the right files and you need to have GameMaker installed. So if you don't have that covered with GameMaker, we'll cover it real quick, and I'll show you where to get the download for everything you need here. So go to Google and just search for GameMaker like that, and there you go, yoyogames.com/studio. If you search GameMaker download and you misspell it, it's fine. There it is. You just go and you download GameMaker Studio. Big green button, click it, install it. You should have this installed because that's what we're going to be using to build our first game. So once you've got that done, the next place to go to is gamedevu.com/resources/firstgame.zip. And this will give you a nice little zip file, firstgame.zip, which you can then save, and it'll show up in your downloads folder. And you'll want to actually take this and drag and drop it to your desktop. I'm using the desktop as the go-to working folder for examples in this tutorial, so go ahead and put it in on your desktop and just extract right there. And once you've extracted it to your desktop, you should see firstgame.zip and firstgame. We're going to go ahead and delete the zip file since it's already extracted. We don't need it anymore. And then you'll see this folder, First Game, and inside of it are Assets, Brick Breaker, and Whack-A-Wilson. We are making two games. We'll make the Whack-A-Wilson Whack-A-Mole game first, just as an exercise to get you familiar with the IDE of GameMaker, just the whole process of it. And then we'll make Brick Breaker, which actually will be a game. So there we go. That's all there is for this video. You'll want to have that file downloaded. Again, it's gamedevu.com/resources/firstgame.zip. Oh, and by the way, if you're not on the GameDevU mailing list, go to the GameDevU website right now and sign up to be on our newsletter. That way you can get updated about any new videos, courses, and anything else that we have. So anyway, that just while you're at it, go ahead and sign up for that stuff and go get that firstgame.zip/resources/firstgame.zip. Anyway, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.